Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you what limp mode looks like on the BMW F30 or 3 series. It'll be the same on the 4 series and the 1 series, so it won't show you a check engine light or anything because it's not a serious problem. So, but it will give you a warning. It will say drivetrain malfunction or something like that, and that's what you know. So when it says that, it'll put you into limp mode basically. So right now my revs are fluctuating a bit up and down, and I've not got as much power. I can feel it. So I'll just show you. This is the warning that comes up. If it's still here, it should be, because I haven't switched engine off. Yeah, drivetrain. There you go. So drivetrain, continue the journey at moderate speed, full performance not available. So I've checked this code. I'm aware of the code. It's something to do with the turbo. Basically something to do with the turbo wastegate, and yeah, so that might be a bit of an expensive fix, but yeah, this is what limp mode looks like. So it'll give you less power, but you won't get an engine warning light or anything unless you have a problem with the engine. So yeah, that's what limp mode looks like on the BMW. Literally just says drivetrain problem, and you'll know because you won't have enough power. And yeah, and I think it reduces it to about, because this car is 184 horsepower, it'll reduce it to about 120 I've seen, because I've not been able to push past 120. So we're about 60 horsepower down at the moment. So yeah, at the moment the turbo is having a low boost problem, so I'll get that sorted hopefully. But for now I can drive it, shouldn't be a problem. It's just reduced power. It gets up hills fine, because I just went up a big steep hill easily. So yeah, it's not a big issue at the moment. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. That's a limp mode for you guys if you've never seen it before. And yeah, see you guys next time. Goodbye.